Our objectives in this lesson are the following. Define annuity and classify annuities. Study the following words that will come out: tuition fee installment, insurance payments, house and lot installment, installment for a car purchase, cable bill, loan payments, house rental, 500 monthly savings, and installment appliance. So what is common among these? Series of equal amount of payments or deposits done periodically. And this is what we call annuity. One classification of annuity is according to the duration. We have certain, contingent, and perpetuity. The first one is annuity certain. It is an annuity in which payments begin and end at definite times. Example, monthly savings of 1,000 pesos for 1 year is starting January 2021. So it will start at January 2021 and will last for 1 year. The second one is the contingent annuity, an arrangement in which annuity starts until a specified event occurs, wherein this event is uncertain. You are not sure when will it happen. Example, pension to be received by a widow after the death of her husband. Death is uncertain. That's why this is contingent annuity. Next one, perpetuity, an annuity that has no end. It is a perpetual annuity. Example, lease rentals, provided that the property continues to exist and assuming there is someone who continuously rent. Another classification of annuities is according to the payment interval and interest conversion. We have simple and general. Simple annuity is an annuity where the payment interval coincides with the conversion period. Example, loan payable every month with interest that is compounded monthly. The payment interval is monthly and the interest is also compounded monthly. The next one is general annuity, an annuity where the payment interval does not coincide with the conversion period. Example, loan payable every month with interest that is compounded quarterly. The payment interval is monthly, but the interest is compounded quarterly. Annuities may also be classified according to the time of payment. We have ordinary, due, and deferred. Ordinary annuity is an annuity in which payments are made at the end of each payment interval. Example, dividend payments at the end of each quarter. Next one, annuity due, an annuity in which payments are made at the beginning of each payment interval. Example, house rentals due every first day of the month. And last one, deferred annuity, an annuity in where payments are made at a later date. Example, a buy now, pay later scheme in appliance store. Let us classify the following annuities. Kathleen purchased a dining set with a down payment of 2,000 pesos, and she has to pay 500 pesos every first day of the month for 3 years. What is the total cash value of the dining set if the interest rate is 5% compounded quarterly? So it says here that Kathleen has to pay for 3 years. So this is annuity certain. And the payment has to be every month, while the interest is compounded quarterly. So the interval of payment is monthly, the interest is compounded quarterly, they do not coincide. So this is general annuity, and she has to make the payment every first day of the month. So this is annuity due. Next one, Baldwin wanted to buy a tablet. He has to pay 2,000 monthly for 1 year starting at the end of the 3rd month. How much is the cash value of the tablet that is compounded semi-annually at 8% interest rate? So it says here that Baldwin has to pay for 1 year. So again, this is annuity certain. And the payment has to be monthly, while the interest is compounded semi-annually. So the interval of payment does not coincide with the frequency of conversion. So this is general annuity. and the payment should start at the end of the third month, as if there are 3 months grace period. So this is deferred annuity. Next example, Phoebe applied for a loan amounting to 100,000 pesos from a bank that charged 7% interest rate compounded quarterly. She agreed to pay annually at the end of each year for 6 years. Determine the amount she has to pay yearly. It says here that Phoebe has to pay for 6 years, so this is annuity certain. Payment will be done annually, while interest is compounded quarterly. The interval of payment does not coincide with the conversion period, so this is general annuity. The payment is to be done at the end of each year, so this is ordinary annuity. One more. In order to save for her high school graduation, Roseanne decided to save 200 pesos at the end of each month. If the bank pays 3.25% compounded monthly, how much will her money be at the end of 1 year? So it says here that Roseanne will save for 1 year. So this is annuity certain. She is going to save each month, so meaning monthly, and the interest is compounded monthly as well. So the interval of deposit coincides with the conversion period. So this is simple annuity. And she is going to do it every end of the month. So this is ordinary annuity. Now, it is time to check your understanding. Classify the following annuities. Pause this video for more time. Let us answer. It says here, Cameron will pay for 3 years. So this is annuity certain. Payment is monthly, and interest is compounded monthly. Monthly coincides with monthly, so this is simple annuity. The payment will start at the end of the third month, so this is deferred annuity. Next one, Lian will save for 10 years, so this is annuity certain. And he is going to do it each year with an interest that is compounded annually. Each year coincides with annually, so this is also simple annuity. And he is going to do the savings at the beginning of each year, so this is annuity due. Gets?